Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Heather, and today we'll be diving into the best home office design ideas for small spaces. Get ready for some fantastic tips and inspiration to transform your tiny workspace into a functional and stylish haven. Let's get started. This cozy home office is a perfect blend of functionality and charm. I love the use of light, neutral colors, which make the small space feel open and airy. The white curtains let in natural light, enhancing the bright and inviting atmosphere. The desk is simple yet elegant, providing ample workspace without overwhelming the room. The shelf in the corner is a smart choice for storage, keeping essentials within reach but neatly organized. The wall decor adds a personal touch and warmth to the space. One change I'd suggest is adding a few more plants to bring in some greenery, which can boost productivity and create a more relaxed environment. Overall, this is a delightful and practical setup for a small home office. This home office is a fantastic example of minimalism and functionality. I love the clean white aesthetic, which makes the space feel larger and brighter. The floating shelf is a great way to keep items off the desk while still being accessible. The desk itself is spacious, allowing for a clutter-free work area. The use of plants adds a touch of nature, bringing life and freshness to the room. The wall grid is a clever addition for organizing notes and inspiration, keeping the workspace tidy and motivating. If I were to suggest a change, I'd recommend a more ergonomic chair to ensure comfort during long work hours. Overall, this setup is stylish, practical, and inspiring. This home office design is both stylish and highly functional. I appreciate the open shelving, which provides plenty of storage space without making the room feel cramped. The combination of white and natural wood tones creates a clean, modern look. I love how the plants add a touch of greenery, making the space feel lively and inviting. The desk setup is practical with a good amount of surface area for working. The rolling storage drawers underneath are a smart solution for keeping supplies organized and easily accessible. If I could improve anything, I'd add a more supportive chair to enhance comfort. Overall, this is a beautifully organized and aesthetically pleasing home office. This home office design cleverly utilizes a small space while maintaining a stylish and functional setup. I love the L-shaped desk, which maximizes the available workspace and creates distinct zones for different tasks. The wooden shelves add warmth and provide ample storage for books, decor, and essentials. The muted blue walls offer a calming backdrop, enhancing focus and productivity. The wicker baskets and decorative items bring personality and charm to the room. I particularly appreciate the mix of modern and rustic elements, giving the space a unique character. One improvement I'd suggest is better cable management to keep the area looking neat and tidy. Overall, this home office is both practical and inviting, perfect for a productive work environment. This home office exudes a rustic charm that I find incredibly appealing. The dark green wainscoting adds a touch of elegance and contrasts beautifully with the white upper walls, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. The black desk is sleek and minimalistic, providing ample workspace without cluttering the room. I love the vintage wooden chair, which adds character and a bit of history to the space. The wall hanging brings a splash of color and personality, making the room feel more personal and unique. The large window allows for plenty of natural light, enhancing the overall warmth of the room. One improvement I'd suggest is adding a comfortable cushion to the chair for better ergonomics. This office is both charming and functional, perfect for a productive workday. This home office is an excellent example of maximizing a small space with style. I love the custom cabinetry, which provides ample storage and keeps the workspace clutter-free. The built-in desk ensures everything is within reach, making the room highly functional. The colorful window shade adds a playful touch, injecting personality into the space. The unique chair with its personalized design is a standout feature, adding charm and a sense of individuality. However, I'd suggest an ergonomic chair for better comfort during long hours. The natural light from the window brightens the room, making it a pleasant place to work. One improvement I'd recommend is adding a small desk lamp for additional task lighting. Overall, this office is a stylish and efficient use of space. This home office is a beautiful example of bringing the outdoors in. I adore the abundance of greenery, which purifies the air and creates a refreshing environment. The light wooden desk with black metal legs looks modern and sleek while offering ample workspace. The wicker chair adds a natural vibe, but I'd recommend a more ergonomic option for long working hours. The variety of plants makes the room feel vibrant and alive. The subtle rug under the desk adds warmth and ties everything together nicely. One enhancement I'd suggest is better lighting for late-night work sessions. Overall, this office is a lush, tranquil, and inspiring place to work. This home office is an inspiring blend of functionality and style. I love the clean white cabinetry that provides ample storage and keeps the space looking neat and organized. The built-in desk under the window is a fantastic use of space, offering a bright and airy workspace. The hat rack and storage bench add personality and practicality, making the room multifunctional. The woven baskets are a great touch, keeping supplies hidden yet easily accessible. The pendant and wall lighting ensure the room is well lit, perfect for any task. I'd suggest adding a few colorful accents to liven up the monochromatic scheme. Overall, this office is a beautifully designed and highly efficient space that balances aesthetics and utility perfectly. This home office is a masterclass in compact and stylish design. I love the built-in desk that fits perfectly into the alcove, making excellent use of limited space. The surrounding shelves provide plenty of storage for books and decor, keeping everything within easy reach and organized. The minimalist desk setup with a few decorative items creates a clean and focused workspace. The wooden chair adds a touch of warmth and contrasts nicely with the white cabinetry. The modern adjustable light fixture is both functional and stylish, ensuring ample lighting for any task. One improvement I'd suggest is adding a small plant or two for a bit of greenery, which can enhance the workspace's ambiance. Overall, this home office is a beautifully designed and efficient space. This home office is a stunning example of modern elegance. I love the dark, moody walls, which create a sophisticated and calming atmosphere. The large window lets in plenty of natural light, balancing the darker tones and making the space feel open and airy. The wooden desk is a beautiful centerpiece, combining rustic charm with contemporary style. The leather chair looks incredibly comfortable and adds a touch of luxury. The round mirror and minimal decor keep the room uncluttered and chic. I particularly appreciate the large plant, which adds a bit of greenery and liveliness to the room. One improvement I'd suggest is incorporating a task lamp on the desk for additional lighting during evening hours. Overall, this office is both stylish and functional, perfect for focused work. I love this cozy home office setup. The small desk by the window allows natural light to flood the workspace, which I find both energizing and great for productivity. The macrame plant hanger adds a bohemian touch, while the corkboard is a practical addition for pinning important notes and inspirations. The light blue ergonomic chair looks both comfortable and stylish, complementing the soft pastel decor. One change I'd make is to add a small, stylish storage solution under the desk to keep essentials within reach and reduce clutter. Additionally, a desk lamp could be beneficial for working in the evenings. Overall, it's a beautifully designed space that balances aesthetics and functionality perfectly. I'm really drawn to the clean industrial vibe of this home office. The shiplap walls provide a modern farmhouse feel, and the large office sign clearly designates the space. The oversized clock is both a bold statement piece and a practical addition, ensuring I'm always on time for meetings. The shelves display a mix of vintage cameras and decorative items, adding personality and character. I appreciate the black and white color scheme, which is elegant and cohesive. However, I'd add a splash of color, perhaps with some artwork or a vibrant plant, to bring more life to the room. Additionally, a desk lamp would improve functionality for late-night work sessions. Overall, it's a stylish and efficient workspace. I adore the combination of elegance and functionality in this home office. The black paneling creates a sophisticated backdrop, while the geometric wallpaper adds a modern touch. The floating shelves are a great way to display personal items and greenery, giving the space character. I find the gold sconces above the desk to be both stylish and practical for task lighting. The desk setup is spacious, perfect for spreading out my work, and the built-in storage helps keep everything organized. The rug adds a cozy feel and ties the room together beautifully. To enhance the space, I would add a few more personal touches like family photos or artwork to make it feel even more inviting. I'm captivated by the airy and bright ambiance of this home office. The white paneled walls create a classic and clean backdrop, while the natural light streaming through the large windows makes the space feel open and inviting. The wicker chair and textured rug add a cozy, beachy vibe, which I find relaxing. The blue chair provides a striking contrast and a pop of color that breaks up the neutral tones. The desk and storage unit offer ample workspace and organizational options, keeping everything tidy and within reach. I appreciate the decorative elements like the black lamp and woven baskets, which add personality. To enhance this space, I'd incorporate some greenery for a fresh, lively touch. I find this home office to be incredibly serene and inviting. The white built-in shelves and cabinets provide excellent storage, keeping the space organized and clutter-free. I love how the rustic wooden desk adds warmth and contrasts beautifully with the white furnishings. The round mirror above the desk is a lovely focal point, creating a sense of openness. The neutral tones throughout the room, paired with the cozy armchairs, make it a comfortable place to work or have meetings. The black sconces offer practical lighting, and the greenery adds a fresh touch. One improvement I'd suggest is adding a few personal items or colorful accents to give the space more character and make it feel more personalized. I hope you enjoyed exploring these stylish and functional home office designs with me. Whether you're looking for a cozy nook or a sleek workspace, these ideas offer plenty of inspiration. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design tips and ideas. See you next time.